Bro, I just fat fingered the button. Dang it. Good morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube. Let me try this again. Oh, I just fat fingered the button closed. There we go. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Let's see if we can get a little reversal for lunchtime here. Not really gonna do much teaching, just trading. Just trading. Turn the music back up just a little bit. Make sure that sounds right. Let's see. YouTube. Get into my chat. What's up, everybody? Man, that was lame. Went to go do something and I closed my trade. Who do we got here? Shout out to Crawbillies. JERC, we'll call him Jerk. What's up, Jerk? Sniper Meow, what's up? What's up, Staz and Likey? Yeah. So I was looking at this midway point of this old week opening gap to hold, and looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. It's okay. I'll let it. I took my shot. Bam! You took a loss. Oh my gosh, how are you ever gonna survive? Oh no. Oh no. Well, my original short this morning was pretty sweet. It was from in and around here somewhere. Covered down here. It was pretty sweet. Just a quick little scalpy poo. Oh, I was hoping lunch would get a little reversal here. Let's see if that'll happen here still. We got 27. We got a tail on that candle. I'm convinced it's going up at least a little bit. At least a little bit. Everything seems pretty stagnant, but we'll stick to a model and see what we come up with here. Get these executions out of here. These things annoy me. What do we got here? 27. And we are nearing just about halfway through lunch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't get a close above. So wait. Wait more. What's up, everybody? Hey, Joe here from Jim. What's up, Joe? You Joe Dirt? Joe Jim Dirt? Joe Jim Dirt Staz the second. What's up, Gypsum Geek? Surf Mado. Hey, he's got a new name, this guy. $21, $20, $19. I feel like I could get at least up here. 10 seconds. Look at it wanting to close below. That's brutal. Open of this candle here is 64550 and the high is 64550. Didn't really get a close above there. Like, we got a vacuum block, which I kind of enjoy. Yeah, we'll just call it. Get these things out of here. There we go. Well, let's see. And that's a tough call. Where do we take our range from? This whole thing here. Yeah, I'll add these annotations later in the update. This is getting a little messy for me. There we go. So where are we off to? What if we can get back up here? Let's see, shall we? Good morning, Rick Ritchie. What's up, MG, P-Dye, Gypsum Geek? What's up? Shout out. All right. Oops. So what was that stop? About 100 ticks? Not bad. Not bad. I got a $1,500 risk limit this afternoon. And yeah, I'm just gonna let her fly. Master friend, do you ever miss those days of freezing your butt off framing? Look outside, seeing I don't miss it at all. I had to tell you something, man. Every winter since my retirement, I think the stars, the being above the stars, that I don't have to do that anymore. Because my last winter, I was just about crying. Like literally crying, because it was so cold, especially on the West Coast. My fingertips were freezing, and I am so happy that I don't have to do that anymore. So great question. No, I don't miss it at all. I mean, I miss being a big deal, and I miss bossing people around, but as far as being out in the cold, no, I don't miss that at all, bro. Not even a little bit. No, I'm rather enjoying my cozy life. I love it. And there are things that I miss about the workplace and the job site for sure. No, I like this. I like being at home. I like never having to leave my house unless I want to. It's not enlightening, kind of fulfilling, but what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Comforting. I love it. New life is freaking sweet. I wouldn't change it for anything. You know, they could take everything away and I could still come in here and rub pennies together. Well, thank you, Bellicose. I appreciate it. Tell me what the top is. The bottom is the 1 minute NASDAQ, right? They're all NASDAQ. Top's 5 minute, bottom's 1 minute, left is 15 minute. And then I got another screen with, get out of here. What's this? So this is Bitcoin 1 minute on the left top right, 2 hour chart, Bitcoin, bottom left 15 minute, and then Ethereum, just keeping my eye on that. And this is beauty right here. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4 minute screen, where I get a good probability of price reversing on here, because it's not like you'll make the fair value gap in the 1 minute every single time. Sometimes it's the 2 minute, sometimes it's the 3 minute, sometimes it's the 4 minute. But when price is running really dynamic, in a dynamic fashion, you could, get a fair value gap in all of those time frames. Yeah. I just want to check what the 30% retracement is. So the 30% is right here. So just sweeping buy side here. So if and when we get up here, I'll decide then if I move my stop or just collapse the trade. It looks like she wants to poke up here. So if you guys are rocking micros, pay the trader. I might pyramid if he actually wants to get moving. Oh, that's tiny. This is a little better. Yeah, Crossum is the word. What's up, buddy? Oh, Master Friend, can you share a whiff? Tell me, yes, in the workshop I was working at was warmer than my home. Nice. Yeah, workshops are nice if you're indoors, huh? It's like all these guys with freaking air conditioning in the summertime in their little huts. So in order for me to see target, we'd have to blast through this guy here. And I'm just gonna keep that local. We got 7 minutes of this candle left. On days like that, inside the house, I had to have a temp above 80. I would look out the window while my friends worked outside and act like I was cold. I miss my friends, not the work. Yeah, exactly. You miss the people and, you know, new guys to train. It was pretty fun. I don't miss plumbing in the wintertime. Yeah, no kidding. So glad we crossed paths before you retired. Oh, that's Jer. Oh, hey, that's Jerk. What's up, brother? Yeah, no kidding, huh? Yeah, absolutely. This was weird how we were on the same building together, and then it was funny because you want to know what's funny is there was a bunch of douchebags on that job site that didn't take me serious. They thought I was full of shit, and they missed out on one of the most wildest opportunities to free themselves from the modern day slavery, and you didn't. So that says something amazing about your character and who you are as a person, bro. You know, I just showed you a couple of things. I basically pointed out the market to you, showed you a couple accounts that I had run up, and you were like, yeah, I want to do that. And then so, yeah, I left the job site, and you and I kept in touch, and now I'm teaching you, and that's amazing. And you're getting it too. That's the best part. You are actually getting it. So, you know, kudos to you, brother. Very cool. Yeah, you were a plumber. You were plumbing up my frames. I'm just gonna take this off here. We know that equilibrium of our daily range is right here, so I just like it clean. Flatlining for lunch. We might actually, if we don't start making a move here in the next 10 minutes, we might actually suit my low before going back up. So you guys need to understand that I'm not a signals guy here publicly, okay? I'm just live trading with you guys. I am okay with losing. You guys need to understand this first and foremost. I am okay with losing. I am okay with my risk. If you're over positioning my trades, expect to get wrecked. You just don't do that, period. Okay? Don't use me as a signal. One of the things that separates me from beginner traders is I'm okay with losing. I'm okay with taking, I could shut this down, take my 100, it would be a 50 tick loss now. I could shut it down now, recoup half my loss, shut it down, and be okay with that. And many of my new friends, they're not. It's impossible for some of my new friends to just take the L. Take the L like a boss. Follow your rules, walk away, know when to quit, etc. Yeah. So that 15-minute candlestick, if we can't, this one I have annotated here. If we can't get back above that, if this trade's over, it will snap in my stupid face, and that'll be the end of it. And then I'll have to quit. I'll quit. Yeah, you're welcome, Jer. Yeah, it's amazing to see. It's like watching kids grow up. It really is. It's like watching children grow up. It's crazy cool. You know, you guys come in your infant stages. Jonathan, I think you're my favorite right now, actually. You know, you're like, ah, and now you're like, yeah. So we've just touched the blue box. Now let's see if we can get a little jolt to the upside. If we can close above both those consecutive down close candles here. Yeah, right here, both of these guys. If we can close above that candle, I'm happy. It's another 2.5-ish minutes. The 1, 2, 3, and 4 minute chart look pretty sweet. You guys can hear me all right? Okay, sweet. How sweet it is. How sweet it is. I don't really have enough to cover that stop if I added one here. Oh, she got rejected from the blue box. No! 1 minute. No! One to 100. How did you guys do today? Who is Anson? 100. Jared nailing it. 99.8. Nice. Off near. Right up. Like the stream. Share the stream. Hit subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. I did want to be going hard on sessions throughout, you know, October, November, and in through the holidays. We didn't get that close above on the 15 minute. Boo. Boo. Yeah, the price action was just really lame. Boo. Are we going down more? Uh-oh. That would suck. Oh, maybe she wants that low. Maybe. But we hit half of that old gap, so, and then we found a model, so just take it as it comes. Friday low, yeah, maybe. Maybe we hit a price point that I was very interested in from last night's update. And yeah, looks like it wants to at least eat the highs of here. We've seen this so many times, especially like last week, I think it was Thursday, where we hung around all afternoon and finally, as projected, after hours, price action ends up going in my favor. That was so annoying. So annoying. Hey, Jake. How's the purple fam? Many fell off, dude. I was having like 100 to 120 attendees at the beginning of the year, and then it fell off to like 35. Now it's up to about 50. So, many are doing very well in their discipline. Many are just, I don't blame them. I remember my first crypto cycle. It was very emotional on both ends of the spectrum. I don't blame them. Crypto's been a complete freak show for 5 years straight. Everything but Bitcoin, really. So, I don't blame them. The markets can stay irrational longer than many can stay solvent. And that's just the sad reality of things. I see Ryan is killing it. What about Love Learning and Jesse? Yeah, Ryan, he's a coach on Tradeify now. If you are blowing your accounts, then he'll help you out. Love Learning, to my knowledge, she's doing well, much better. And then Jesse, I just hear from him periodically. We don't talk a lot, but I assume he's doing well. Many people went into this statistics style strategy or something like that. I don't really know. But yeah, as far as I know, everybody's doing great. How are you doing, Jake? That's the real question. And Jake showed up and then price went in my favor. That's how I know it's you. That's how I know Jake's here. Jake, help me! Okay, so we're at the macro time now. And it'd be really nice if order flow would kick in and start snapping through that blue box right there. So, yeah, that blue box is this candle here. So this is where my eyes are focused. This one with all the volume down on the 1 minute. Come on, mouse, go bigger. That one right there. I'm going to turn my mouse bigger so you guys can see it without having to struggle squinting. Hey, what is that? Any other candles with no wicks on it? Just this one? So when we get here, I'd like to see us accelerate through here and start really getting up to my targets. When it touches that line, I don't want to see it snap down. Boop. That's a boop. Oh, the music went down. Oh, right. The volume's down on this track. Okay, let's fix this. Yes, so now don't come down. Don't come down, you bugger. Run it. I don't think this candle has a tail, so I'll permit it to come there. Just tap into the beats. And this I do like to have the daily chart up though. Bought the bottom of that candle, and now we've seen the 20% retracement, so we're looking for 30%. Nice. Nice. Let's see. No wick on the micro. Gotcha. Thank you. I knew you missed me. I did, Jake. You know, I was thinking about you last week too. Every time my trade comes against me, I'm like, Jake, help me. Doing good. That's good. Nice. Done from the day from the morning shorts. Nice. Yeah, mine was pretty dope. What an ugly rejection. I don't think so. A snap down, bro, is when it like violently, aggressively reprices against you. That was just a little lazy, unseat the longs and go hit fair value. You know what I mean? Like snap downs is like bam. $61 likes missing. Yeah, pump those likes up. Let's get me going viral here. Okay, we got no indicators on the chart. My trade's in profit. Price is doing what I want it to do. It's pretty sweet. I feel like I'm up in the club. Yeah. Perfect levels. Thank you very much. In, out, shake it all about. What's up, Ruggy? Hey, man. Been a minute. Ryan893 strategy is amazing. Not trading it, but studying, and it looks really good. Cool. Yeah, it wasn't sharp looking. Yeah, hope you're enjoying your new life, bro. Ricky did it. What's up, bro? My trade is in profit. I see Pepe indicator, but it's not dancing. Get up there. Yes. We just swept that. See, I don't want to see that. That's a little bit sharper than I want to see. So we got 4 minutes and 26 seconds of the 15-minute chart. And we've got 15 minutes left of the macro. No fair value gap on the 5. Boo. Bitcoin just started creeping. Go look at that money printer from 12:30 till now on Bitcoin. Just the tiny, most pathetic thing ever. Eee. So it's handy to front run your exits if that's what you're after. Okay, now I'm using the blue as a means to put my stop under. I don't want to see the price come back. Okay, so now that we've reached my targets. Boop. Now I want to see it accelerate all the way up to my take profit. If we can get there. I don't know if we're going to get there. You know, I might even take this. $256 ticks. Nice. You see that? Look at this. Look at this. Beauty. Beautiful delivery there. Shake that baggie out of that pocket. I don't know what that means. That's just the Pepe market profile. Works similar to Shiba Inu weighted average price or the 200 Doge moving average. How did you know that was coming? Because price is not random, it's algorithmic, and I got cheat codes for the algorithm. She's coming back down, maybe, but I'm happy. I'll take 300 ticks. If it gives it to me. That's so funny. They're like, they're changing the algorithm. The market's closed. They're changing the algorithm. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Is that right? Did they change it on you? Does it not work for you no more? Aw. If you don't know, they shut down the cooling systems for whatever, one of the servers or whatever at CME. One of the cooling systems went down for the market data or whatever. And the market was shut down after the holiday for like, I don't know, I think it was like a few hours or overnight or something, and everybody was like, they're changing the algorithm. 23 seconds. Where do we close? Left side of the chart. That's very important. No, they're not changing the algorithm. It works too damn good. Very nice delivery on that institutional order flow entry drill. Feeling pretty cozy here. 3, 2, 1, bam! Open, low, and now run up. You need the game genie. Bro, I am the game genie. 297. Don't be a prick for a tick. 300. Bam! And that's how she's done. So I flopped my first entry, a fat fingered thumb, the trade closed, and then I took a little loss here, just anticipating that we were going to get a nice little ride up to the upside. I actually thought it was going to take a lot longer than that. I was waiting for at least 120, but I'm happy there. So yeah, now I'm bored. Now what? So just so you guys understand, this is another thing that I do that beginner traders cannot do, is shut it down after you win your trade or after the market's in your favor. Even if most importantly, especially when you get good at your craft, one of the most important things is taking your win and just letting the charts print however they may. Right? It's natural for you to feel like, oh, I'm good, I'm a good trader, I can just go in and hit another trade, I can hit another trade, I'll push my edge. No. That's not how it's done. Once you win your trade, just sit there and chill out. Enjoy your life. That's what we came here to do. It's hard. I always have to tell myself, no, exactly. It's prick tickling. What's up? Who's this? Blackett? Blake? What? What's your name? Oh, that's, are you Lee Teague? Are you Teague? I think you're Teague. Yeah. Are you Lee Teague? BLT. Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah, that's you. What's up, bro? What do you mean, how did I know that was coming? You've been with me for like a long time. You're hilarious, dude. That was you that said that, right? Yeah. Oh, I love you too, bro. Thank you. Well, maybe that wasn't you. Hold on. Who asked? Who asked? How did you know that was coming? Yeah, that was you. Man, you're funny. you're hilarious, bro. Let's see if we can keep this ride going. If you're new here and haven't been around, hello, I'm Master Friend. I teach that it's not our jobs to grab the lowest low or the highest high in a trade. We just want the lion's portion of the move. So I had an entry, I had a target, I took it, and now I'm content there. But I wouldn't mind a retest of this guy here, because this could be our bullish breaker. If we lose the midway point, I'll assume it's got something a little more bearish going on here, but we've got a nice consolidation phase, expansion, retracement, and reversal. So let's see if we can keep this going. Make a fair value gap here in the 5 minute. Do not touch that candle. Do not touch it. Thank you, BLT. So, friend, we would prefer the type of sweep happen at 12:43 rather than the sharp, swift dagger. Actually, I kind of cowboyed this one, and it's just because of the lack of the lack of run here in the morning. Like, yeah, sure, we hit stage 2 this morning, distribution. And then it went into this lazy slop here for the majority of the morning. I would even say right from 10:30, it was just a lot of slop here. So when I see a lot of slop and it's not trending from like, 10 to 11 or even to 12, it's trending, but it's not, it comes with experience moreover, but like, I would have rather the sweep happened at 1:30. It did it at 12:30 here. So playing the ICT lunchtime or even Ryan's model here, one setup for life.
In my heart is a waterfall, bleeding pine trees, lit up windows and
No, yes and no, I guess. It just depends on the date. We got no news drivers today, so we're not expecting a very violent move in the marketplace. That place that I wanted to see a bottom hold. Put these annotations back on from yesterday. That's it right there. Okay, so yesterday's update was looking for a bottom, that 30% retracement of the previous week's range that's this here. So we've come down and hit that. That's why I was looking to key off of that. And, I would like to see the bottom of the weekend here. And if not, the purple line. And if not, then maybe we have a bearish week. So I'm fine with that. What was the question? I don't know. But time and price, right? If I'm considering the bottom of the day in, then I would, and it's Monday and I want to see it go up now, then right, that's half of this open gap as well. So nice sensitivity there. Down in So I was trying to key off of this little maneuver here, and it got me, so I just gave it another shot. You gotta be content with what you do. You gotta stick with what you know. Don't panic. That's the biggest part. Don't panic. You just gotta run with a who cares style attitude. You're running a business. Every business has a cost. Right? So if I'm willing to put up $1,500 or $2,000 for risk a day, that means I want to see a return on that. And if I don't, then I know that my business isn't going to go broke because I, turbo clicked or couldn't handle myself. Or another thing is, okay, this little kind of reversal profiling right here fails, and a beginner would be like, okay, I guess it's bearish now, I gotta go short. No turbo clicking. There we go. So I didn't want to see this touched. We didn't touch it. We've got a teensy little fair value gap in here. It totally counts. And my eyes are drawn to this candle here now. I don't know if we're going to flip it or not. So I leave it purple. Could be flipped. Could be used as resistance. From here, I don't know. I legitimately don't know. I'm just hanging out now. You guys did very well this morning. Good job. I like all the screenshots that I'm getting. Very cool. Music a bit loud on that particular song. Yeah, I see it. It's like the wave, the sound wave is pretty large. What's an average stop loss that I use to put on a trade? It depends what I'm keying off of. Okay, so because I was keying off of a higher time frame array here, I'm giving myself about 30 handles around. So if it reprices beyond 30 handles, it's likely not a stop hunt and a smart money reversal. Typically, okay, it's averaging 30 handles. So this one here was 33 handles, 33 and a quarter. Right, so 133 ticks. So if I'm using 100 tick stop loss, obviously I was stopped out of this one. So, but it immediately reversed for me, so it gave me another opportunity. It's usually like, it depends on the market environment. If I was like order flow this morning when I woke up late. Oh, honestly, I woke up late and I missed that. I missed this total soup short here. Right on schedule too. And then so it snaps down, right? Comes back up. So my entry was, correct me if I'm wrong, my entry was this candle right here. Or it was one of these two right in here. Right? So from my entry here, I was using a 25-point stop loss. So it all depends on where we're at in the environment, what time it is, what am I using a model to key off of, or am I just using time exclusively? There's some factors. Typically though, 150 ticks is like maximum. If price is going 150 ticks against you, it's probably not your thing. And I see Sammy's model right here after the stop hunt. Boom! So you took that first sweep. I don't know, it's at the beginning of the I think it was, I can't remember. Yeah, I got execution tomorrow. Yeah, this guy right here on that order block. So I seen the thing. It came down. It made an order block. I took it. I fat fingered the close, the button. I fat fingered the trade closed. Tried again here just because we were on the midway point still. Got stopped out for a few ticks, so no big deal. And then gave it another shot here. And boop. What a cool exit. Sell. Beam. Still can't really hear me. What do you mean? I think that's a you issue. 41 people. Woohoo! Yeah, I don't even have music on right now because it's at the part where there's no music. And yeah, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Is anybody else having sound issues? Yeah, I think that's you, Ruggy. Awesome. Well, let's aim for the flout, shall we? Looks like we hit 1, 2.5 deviations of Asia's range here for a bottom. That looks perfectly dead center, actually. Just eyeballing it looks dang good. That purple line to that one looks really good. Look at that beauty. Let's keep this party rolling. Stop breaking Sniper Meow. Yeah, I actually copy trade Sniper Meow. He's been in the back end giving me all my trades and my analysis. Yeah, it's actually been all him this entire time. So what are we out here? 114. Not bad. Bird. Sniper has a new nickname for wild berries. What is it? Clipped and shared, yeah. Yeah. Master Friend has ghost traders. That's actually funny. ICT berries. He should be ICB. It's Gambleberries is old, yeah. It's Inner Circle Berries. Yeah, there we go. Did you ditch that poker BS there, Wildberries? I named him Wildberries from that little kid from South Park. He calls himself Wildberry Crunch. And they were doing the was it Game of Thrones episode? Was it Game of Thrones or yeah, Mint Berry Crunch. Oh, J.R.R. Martin, that book, and he wrote. Yeah, it is Game of Thrones. Man, that 3-part episode is probably my favorite ever. Yeah, that was funny too, man. I love that show so much. So look at this 15-minute. Looks pretty hot. It's got a nice fair value gap here. It's pretty sweet. And it went from 1 quad to the other quad. So perhaps this is our breakaway gap and maybe our bottom's in for the week. That would be so cool. Pulse chain is freaking launching. Ethereum's gaining some ground as well. I would presume the bottom's in. I would like it to be. Oh, there we go. Bitcoin and its pathetic little money printer. Look at this little bugger here. Look at this little freak. Some of these tiny ones that are really ugly and dumb, they bang. They bang hard. Like, wow. Oop. Look at the exit on that delivery right there. The delivery on that 3.5 exit. That's hilarious. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Back down to the gap. Okay, so we've got 118, so we've got 5 minutes here. You thought it was because it might have been both, but I got the name from I created the name from that South Park episode. Yeah. He was even saying it the way the kid says it in the show, exactly. Offnear knows what's up. Yeah, boy, look at that, huh? So, looks like we're not gonna get a breakaway gap. Boo. Boo, Russia. I have a journal entry about poker and trading. It's too long to post here. Yeah, how it's so wild how people will relate. Oops, some music happening again here. People will relate trading to gambling so hard, and it's not even close. It can be if you don't do it properly. Excuse me, give me a couple minutes here. Be right back. Bam. Any progress? Nice. The triangle got stopped out. Let's go up now. Oh, we didn't hit the gap either. Ooh. Exciting. Very exciting. get a close above that guy, we're pretty much gone. Doing that lunchtime thing, so we got 30 more seconds. Prove to me where you want to go. What's up, Wild Marys? Holy shnikey. Bro sent me an essay. I don't see any gyration yet. Best case scenario, we snap right up to here. There we go. That's the gyration I was looking for. Wake up. No, I didn't take any trades on Bitcoin today, if you're wondering. Alright. Trading is only gambling if you handle it like that. Yeah, it's putting up risk to make a return. You know, everything's a gamble, right? If you start a business, a restaurant, right, you are gambling in a sense that your business is going to make a return. So everything's kind of a gamble in that sense. But the difference between gambling and a rules-based trading strategy is that you are ensuring your success over time, because you have rules to follow. Whereas gambling, unless you're counting cards or something, you're not gambling anymore, you're cheating. But gambling is taking a risk knowing that you're not gonna make anything from that. Like, that's basically gambling in a nutshell. Yes. He is the ICGB, Inner Circle Gambleberries. Hey, MVP, Dazida, what's up, bro? GMF too tired, word up. Counting cards is using your brain. Yeah, well, that's cheating. And I mean, we're cheating here too. Everything's a gamble. You get into your car and you go drive on the highway, you are gambling with your life. Especially nowadays with all these crazy semi-truck invaders. Oops, did I say that out loud? Oops. Sorry. Not sorry. We've got a unicorn. Let's see if this thing picks up. Man, that'd be nice if it just one tick in that gap. Yeah, I think we did it. Yeah, we did it. Now we'll focus on the 1 minute here and get a nice snap back to the upside. Take this line, put that there. If we lose this pink gap, then it's got to be on a closing basis on the 15-minute chart. permit some wickage and some mohawk through there. That's fine. This is the only benefit I have from playing poker professionally. I make a decision sometimes where I know I'm beat, and I move an amount of money I don't want to lose in the middle of the table. Dizia. Bro, it's Dazzy Da. Yeah, I'm gonna forget and I'm gonna butcher it in the future, just so you know. Dizia. Can you make your name something a little more? No, I'm just kidding. Can you just name yourself Dizzy? That's a pretty cool nickname. Hoping it's the right play to make my opponent fold the better hand. Once I make the decision to bluff, I have separated myself from the decision of losing that money. It is no longer in my control. I only receive the news if I made the right decision when the dealer pushes the chips to the winner. I'm deleting what I sent. I read half of it and I was gonna comment on it. Actually, I think I did. Yeah, business is putting up risk. So we got 1 minute and 13 seconds on the left side here, and we seem to be losing our gap. Ooh, it was looking pretty good for a minute. I mean, we made the retracement requirements for the day, so I guess that's maybe all she wanted. Again, I'm happy. So we got 51 seconds. Can you get pushed right back up above half of the pink box? If that happens, I'll stay. Oof. Doesn't look promising. And she after people. Four, 3, 2, 1, burn. Wow, is she hungry? Is she gonna go down more? That's it. That's line in the sand. It's line in the sand for this potential upside. Uh-oh. The respect to the bodies on the 15 and 5 minute, just they're kind of telling me that it doesn't want to go down too hard here. 5 minute, 15 minute. If it was 9:30, I'd be long again. Or like 10 a.m. Yeah, exactly right, Wildberries. It's like you say, I am right until the market takes my money. Exactly. Exactly. So we got 130. I'll give it a little bit. I'll give it a few more minutes here. I'm actually really enjoying this price action below the open on Monday. Below our open, not the candles open. One more minute. We'll see if we get back up above that green and pink area. gonna be a fun week. Yeah, I can see that happening. I can see us having a lot of fun this week. So this is where I'd like to see the candle. Yeah, just gyrate a little bit. Let me know you're gonna move. 3, 2, 1. So sweep that low. I want it swept. No, a little more. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so now once it takes that low, does it want that one? Looks like it's gonna melt. The idea for the bottom to be in for the day and week was that we didn't lose this fair value gap. So that was kind of where I was aiming for. So now we've taken this low here. So I'm just gonna see, what does it want? Does it start rushing? Or does it want to reverse? If it starts rushing, the next logical place to find where it might likely be going is here. This is from the Asian range, given in the update last night. And this was the flout. And is a little bit deeper than I'd like to see. It looks like it's gonna melt. Oh well. Well, offside and profitable. No big deal. It's pronounced ja. Both syllables sound like English ja with a soft J, similar to the beginning of juice but lighter. So use. Those dang use. And it means grandpa. So you're a grandpa? That's pretty cool. We just call you grandpa from now on. You're grandpa. There we go. Hey, she's pooping. Get a little zoom in here. No tail on that candle. Timing's off. Timing's off. But there's no wick on this candlestick right here. So if it doesn't want to go down, then this is where I would assume it's going. And we've made equal lows here now, so something for tomorrow. Or after hours. Nice, okay. Let's check out our 15-second chart. Not bad. Not bad. So yeah, I'm gonna take 5 and I'll come back and we'll see if we can get this 2 p.m. run up to the upside. I'm gonna be running out of music here in a minute. Just going to bring that back around here. Okay, so I will be back in a few minutes and just let this thing do as it pleases. I would like to see this candlestick hold support. Right there. On a closing basis. Be back. Boo. Boo. Let's see if we can get a little pump up here. If we lose, let's see. If we lose this guy, then let's deem it over. It looks like it wants to melt, doesn't it? Just not convinced. Just not convinced, man. Who's Brian Trade? Who's Brian Trade? Did he just lose his trade? It's moving and shaking. Yeah. Yeah, it is. It is. I would have liked to see that bottom 2 minutes earlier. Did you say you were short berries? Took the inversion? I mean, if you were bearish on the day, that'd be a great little scalp. No, long. You're crazy. What are you doing trading outside of macros on a no news Monday? Huh? Wild berries. He's wild. So we've got 37 seconds left on the left side here. I'm really interested in where that 15-minute candle closes. This is no longer a unicorn, it is a balanced price range. So typically we'll see some violence through this guy. Or from it. So very cool. We closed above the order block. We made a tail on this candle. Let's see if we can get that punch up here. Punchy. Slingshot. Come on, little buddy. Oh, 2.5 minutes. Jer, I must tell myself no. I know, right? Even I want to go. Even I want to hit it, but you gotta force yourself. Because the reality is it could come right here. No issues, just melt. Boom. But again, I'm not super convinced it wants that. Yeah, 44 ticks will moderately improve your life. Yeah, especially when you get some wiggle room on a funded account. You know, 40 ticks with, I think, 5 contracts is $1,000. And relate that to the 200 ticks that I took with one contract this morning on the short that I guided you guys through. I think that one took like 14-15 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes, and you could get 40 ticks in like 20 seconds on many occasions. Oh man, we lost the midway point of our order block on the 5-minute top screen. Uh-oh. Wild berries, you're in trouble, dude. And we got macro time. You should pick what one account of 15. English wild berries, English. You'll hate it more when it runs to your targets, yeah. Wild berries is looking for the hammer. You could pick a single account of 15 what? 15 what? Contracts? That would be $3,000 at 40 ticks. Hey, what's up, John Connor? You're welcome. Trade was at the beginning of the show, and now we're just kind of getting bullied around by price here in our little lunchtime here. I was really looking for this to want to hold support, and actually I didn't want to see this get repriced to it all, and then it did, so ooh. But now we have a balanced range to use for the future. They're typically pretty fun. So leave this on your chart, because we'll likely use this again tomorrow. You have like 10 accounts. Total, I have 4. I have 2 smaller ones and a large one with, so 5. Two small ones and a large one with TPT. No, Top Step. I have one with TPT, and I have one with Apex. No, you didn't miss out on nothing, Izzy. Ted Cruz is coming. I think he's here, bro. I think he's here. Like, typically, when you're in your big dynamic run here, and I'm not opposed to the idea that we come and revisit this today, okay? typically, bro, like we've made our 30% retracement for the day. So now it's just kind of a toss-up in what it does, in my opinion. That's what I mean by the lunch, the PM session can be a continuation of New York AM, an all-out reversal, or it could be both. It could be a continuation and a reversal, or, you know, it could do nothing. So, yeah. They're pretty rough, man. It just doesn't want to leave that 50%. Consequent encroachment of this old week opening gap. Just for visual reference. It's this gap right here. This big giant gap that we've been bouncing around in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now. We want some just a rid of yes. Yes, we do. Well, that was a lame start to a macro, huh? So 2 more minutes and I want to see this thing start popping. What lane PM, bro? I don't, right? I know. Imagine if I was still holding onto that trade. I'd be down at my entry. Oh, getting stopped out again. Come on, gray pool. One of the worst things too is when you know when price is gonna move, but it freaking does it the opposite direction. That's why we just chill, right? Right, Mato? That's why we're chilling after our trade is over. When our daily requirements and expectations have been met, it's wise to just sit it out, study, and see what materialized. Price can only go up or down. I mean, it can chop too, but it can only go up or down. So what does that mean? That means that if like I was expecting and anticipating price to want to touch this purple box, got dang close, right? Pretty dang close. But look at how it told us that it was likely going to want to reprice lower. Snapping one single clean close through that gap. So if you're offside, my point is, if you're offside, there's a signature to help you get in sync with what could possibly be a run in the opposite direction. See Bitcoin snapping down, she's hungry. Hey, Jamal. Good morning, friend. Welcome back. Rose VIP over here. You forgot the wrong flavor soup. Boom! And we hit, what is that? 1, 2, 3 deviations of Asia's range here. Can we get into that lower quadrant? Looks like we can. Come on, give me another tick. Oh, rude. So we've got a new 4-hour candlestick, if I'm not mistaken, in concert with, yeah, 3, 2, 1, bam, and we just took that liquidity right there. So let's see if this low can hold. It can pierce this blue line here, top screen. It can pierce that blue line. But I'd like to see us back up above this candle if that happens. Right herb, please. Reversal now. Could be. I'm not like I said, I'm not like hard lined on anything after my trade was complete and we lost my orange price point here. I'm not, we're just reading the tape. I got no hard line anything right now. Gun to my head, I'd like to see it launch back up into here in a hurry in the next 10 minutes. I know I need some more music for these longer sessions, that's for sure. Still rubbish PA. I mean, it did the thing down pretty nicely. You know, that's a nice delivery right there. Mwah. It's looking hungry. Yeah, man. And corkscrew down all day. I mean, yeah, but we want this. It's the beginning of the week. Want this. This is amazing. This I'm feeling really on side for a bullish week. It repriced down first. I'm a happy camper. Don't give it all away. It's funny you say that because, like, there are people here who have no idea what I'm saying. They have no relationship for these things that I'm speaking at all. So if you're not like versed in algorithmic price delivery or have any studying under your belt, this just looks like witchcraft to you. So, you know, it's my private students, most of you are here. And I've got 39 people watching me, so you know, most of you are private students. You know, and watching me after my trade, watching me get bullied around here is exactly what you need to see. I am not engaged with the market. You call it random. I don't. If you're not first, you're last. I'm sad my demo trade was the only demo today morning. Yeah, many of you expect way too much from yourselves too quick. Even when you're getting it and you're understanding your arrays and stuff. It's natural, but you just go way too hard for your skill set sometimes, and that's where you're falling. What's up, bro? You from 3 devices. I got 17 likes already, and that's from this computer alone. Alright, 4.5 more minutes. It's looking okay. It's not great, it's okay. Right here, please. Man, do we just flatline here the rest of the day and do nothing? Maybe.
Slowly. Can't you tell me?
Nah, I will move the NQ. Just watch. Yeah, you got $6 trillion gabillion to move this thing. And there's so much money in this thing, you're gonna have to come up with a new number. Let's give. That's funny. All right, this thing's got like less than just over a minute. Just over a minute left, and I've lost interest completely. This week has already been fun. All right, so we're not holding any bullish arrays. We keep busting through them. So, yeah. All right, 2 more minutes. I said this an hour ago, but 2 more minutes. That's not impressive. The candle doesn't have a tail either. It's even less impressive. Now word up, Granddaddy Perp. That's funny. That's funny. It doesn't look like it wants to give it to me just yet. I would say in a little while here. See, about an hour and 5 minutes. Hit up that. You guys study it. Don't trade it. If you study it, you'll get more experience. If you trade it, whether you're profitable or not, you're not learning. You're too hyped up about your P&L. So, yeah. For the rest of the day, I'd say, if we did make another little low here, I would want to see us grand finale back to the upside at some point, have that candlestick delineated, that orange box leave on, and I'll give you guys an update later on this evening. I hope you had fun today. Keep it light, keep it tight. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, you guys. Be safe. Thanks for joining. Till next time.